Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are back with yet another video, and this is Umar from Tutorials Hub. We will be discussing today Panda Dome free antivirus review and tutorial. So this is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial. Now before we get started, book a call with us with the first link below if you're looking with help with your marketing strategy, web design, or tech consultations. So we will be more than happy to provide you our services. Let's just get on to our video. So currently we are going to be simply downloading the Panda Dome for free. So for that we need to type Panda Dome and onto our search bar. Once we do that, and we need to be clicking on the very first link. So let's just quickly do that. Once we are onto their platform, you will be able to see on their landing page we have different type of features and reviews going on. So let's just quickly accept this. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see much more clearly and what they actually have to offer. So first of all, if you want to create an account onto their platform, you can see, by the way, we got this Halloween special offer also going on, so you can avail that. Now if I head over to my account, let me just click on that, and we should be able to create an account using this area. Or if you do not want to do that, you can skip this. So you need to, by the way, click on don't have a Panda account, and once you are onto that, you will be able to sign in. So you simply need to put in your email address, your password, and confirm your password. Eventually, once you do that, make sure that this terms and agreement check mark or checkbox is filled. And let's just now go back and see what else we got onto there. So now this is a really great antivirus software if you're looking for something that is authentic, is going to be providing you free plans. So it is also free for Windows. It have antivirus protection, so it says that it got this real-time protection as well. So by the way, if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you will be having an idea about the real-time protection and how it works. It is basically actively working and deleting the files that feel like malware and spyware. So this is something good. If it offers the real-time protection for free, it's gonna be good. Now if we dive on to the next one, it is going to be a USB protection, and what that does is basically a lot of people are trying to do and insert some malware and viruses using the USB devices. They're trying to simply do the you can say like attacks. So it is a special kind of attack. If I use a special term, you can say like penetration attacks onto your PC using the USB devices. So they are trying to simply break into your stuff. So you can protect using your USB and different type of threats that are gonna be there. You also have your Panda rescue kit, so that is something new. You can free PC recovery system, run an advanced scan onto your PC, and create a rescue USB drive to boot and clean those infected computers that won't even start. So that sounds absolutely amazing, because it is saying that you can create you can say like USB drive that is going to be fixing the computers that you are going to be you eventually you're going to be plugging that USB onto. So I really doubt this feature if this gonna be working. So after that we have multimedia game mode, and this mode ensures that you watch multimedia content without disturbance from your antivirus while remaining completely secure. So good to have that as well. And it is also available onto your mobile devices if you're looking for that. Now discussing about its pricing and plan. So what it actually got in there. So you can see we have various type of pricing and plans. So we have the free one. It have 4 of the features included. So I really like how this is marked and everything is quite straightforward. So the very first is going to be providing a free VPN limited to 150 MB per day and browse anonymously from a single virtual location. That is sounds good. You also have antivirus for Windows devices. You also have scan external USB device and keep them safe from any kind of threats. And finally, we have our email checker. So you got these features for free, so that is quite considerable. Now if you are willing to pay slightly more and get a bit uh, essence of more features on this platform, you will be able to get your Mac and Android device real-time antivirus protection, firewall for Windows and devices, protected your Wi-Fi, online shopping, security, and few more. So the last one is, I think it's not that much expensive as well, since you are gonna get a lot of data into that as well. So yeah, I hope this is really good in terms of pricing. Now on Trustpilot, it do actually got some nice reviews as well. So let me just head over to Trustpilot and we are gonna be checking its reviews so we get 100% assurity about its authenticity. Panda Dome complete loyal customer, and some people are having some issues, but mostly you will be able to realize that have really nice reviews going on. So yeah, you can actually try that out. Now to download it, of course, what you need to do is finally click on the download button at the top, and then it will be asking you if you want to simply go for essential plan, and it is willing to offer us 50% discount. How good that sounds, guys. So the free one do have only one feature, so let's just go for free actually, because this is for the demonstration purposes only. And now our downloading will be most probably be started, and let's just try waiting. Alright, so it is downloaded. I'm going to be clicking on this executable file. I got this admin authentication, so just wait for a couple of seconds and it is loading on. You can see, click on next, and we need to choose the destination where we want to download this. And once you go through all of this process, you will be able to download it. So I'm currently not gonna do that since it is pretty simple, guys. And if you want to go for that, I got to tell you about each and every feature and how it is going to be working. So if you still feel like it is worth it, you can go for that. I actually recommend this since this really sounds good to me. And for an antivirus providing this kind of features, especially the real-time protection, I highly am going to be suggesting you to download this if you want to go for a reliable and most probably providing you a free feature or free plan. So that is really good for the low budget users, and even the plans are not that much expensive. Even the premium one is not going to be exceeding the almost 10 euros mark. So yeah, I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if you find this tutorial helpful, you can subscribe to our channel. And also, before we end this video, you can book a call with us with the first link below if you're looking help with your marketing strategy, web design, or any type of tech consultations. So that wraps up our video. Stay blessed and see you in the next one.